Here we will write a Python program to print matrix of random integers of any shape depend on user choice. Here lower range and upper range is accepted from the user to generate random number. So in comment line first we will write. First we will import numpy. Then we will accept lower and upper range from the user to generate random number. So int enter lower range. Then we will accept upper range. So int input enter upper range. Then we will create array of random number as array equal to np.random.randent. Lower range equal to low, higher range equal to higher, and size is 3 by 3 by 3. Here I will give random and then I will print array. When we execute, I will give lower range as 4, upper range as 10. It will generate matrix of size 3 by 3 by 3 with random numbers between 4 to 10. If I change the size to 2 and again execute, it will generate array with new size.